And now it's time for Incredible Findings with your host, Mike Lawson. Ho, 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 everybody. Mike couldn't be here today for this very Merry Christmas Incredible Findings, so he had me, Santa Claus, take his place.
Just kidding, it's really me, Mike Lawson. But to get serious for a second, we're going to be introducing a product today that, from what I understand, is going to blow the lid off just about everything. Are you ready? Because I sure am. Let's bring out our old friend, Tony Bright.
Hello, Mike.
Okay, Tony. Blah, blah, blah. Let's cut to the chase. Where's this brand new product I keep hearing about?
Not so fast, Mike. First, I got a question for you. Mike, are you happy with the way you look?
Well, if you promise not to tell anybody, sometimes my face kind of gets on my nerves.
Well, then why not do something about it, Mike?
What are you, high? Cosmetic surgery costs major bucks.
Not anymore, Mike. Mike, I'm here to tell you can get any cosmetic surgery you'd ever want at a fraction of the price and right in your own home. Mike, introducing Cosmetic Surgeon in a Box.
Cosmetic surgeon in a box? No way.
Yes way, Mike. It's the complete cosmetic surgery kit from the good old folks at Nubco.
Nubco? Are they who I think they are?
That's right, Mike. They are. Now you'll be able to adjust those facial features to anything you'd ever want, just like Cher and Roseanne and all your favorite movie stars, Mike.
That Roseanne is funny as heck.
Mike, let me show you how it works.
Whoa, built to last or what?
You're right about that, Mike. And it's not 90% waterproof. It's 100% waterproof, Mike.
Oh, that's perfect, because I'm totally into scuba.
What do you say, Mike? Should we give it a go?
I don't know, should we? Okay.
Mike, you just choose any facial feature you'd ever want.
Oh, way cool. Look at that selection. Okay, I'll get the Johnny Depp nose, the Brad Pitt chin, and that neat-looking Ben Kingsley forehead.
You got it, Mike.
Hey, I just thought of something. If this thing's half as good as you say it is, it'll make the perfect Christmas gift.
You're right about that, Mike. It sure would. What do you say, Mike? You ready to give it a go?
Okay, Tony, what do I do?
Mike, all you do is you put your face down on this patented non-stick surface.
Non-stick? Holy! Those Nubco guys think of everything.
Here we go.
George Clooney, eat your heart out.
And the Cosmetic Surgeon Inner Box comes with 6 cotton swabs, a 5-page instructional pamphlet, and this bonus vegetable knife that'll have you preparing your favorite hors d'oeuvres just like the pros. All right, Mike, let's take agenda.
How do I look?
All right, Mr. Tom Cruise, what have you done with my friend Mike?
Knock it off, Tony. I don't look that good, do I? You guys are putting me on.
Don't take our word for it, Mike. Let's put it to the real test.
What the heck?
Oh, Mr. Cruz, I love all your movies and your looks.
Wow, I'm a star.
You sure are, Mike. And do you know, Mike, Cosmetic Surgeon Inner Box normally costs $120. But since it's Christmas time, I'm willing to let the whole package go for 3 easy payments of $39.95, all of which I'll make back within months as a celebrity.
Tony, you better hurry up and tell him how to order.
There's nothing to it, Mike.
Send your check or money order to Cosmetic Surgeon in a Box, P.O. Box 788, Postal Station C, Farmington, Illinois. MasterCard or Visa accepted, no CODs, please. Must be over 18 and have a valid driver's license.
Well, that's our show for today, and I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm heading home to get my snorkel.
Looks like you're gonna need it, Mike. Well, that's our show. Join us next week on Incredible Findings. Good day, folks.